Want to know how to print all Armstrong numbers in a range? So an Armstrong number is a number whose sum of the cubes of the digits is equal to the number itself. So we have also created a video on how to find out if a digit is Armstrong numbers, so make sure to watch it as well. So for example, we can take 153 as an Armstrong number. Why? Because 1 cubed plus 5 cubed plus 3 cubed equals to 153. To print all Armstrong numbers in a range in Java, we first take the start and end values from the user. So for that, we have to simply take on up the scanner right here. So once that is done, we loop through each number in that range. For each number, we extract digits using modulus tail. We cube them, sum them up, and check if the sum equals to the number. If it does, we print it. So if it doesn't, we just simply don't. So you can simply see this code as well. We have looped it on for loop and we have done it accordingly. So this exercise simply helps beginner practice loops, arithmetic operations, and number logic. It's visually satisfying to see numbers like 153 or 370 pop up on your console. So I'm just going to show you the results, and there you go. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.